Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the kitchen scrap garden. Oh, let me move this other plant out of the way. There we go. You can see we've had a large amount of growth. This kitchen scrap garden looks wonderful. I did make some changes. We had put potato halves in some of these spots, like this one and this one, but they didn't grow. They didn't have enough eyes, and they really need a much deeper garden and a much bigger space. So I took those out and I replaced them with beet tops. So beets are root vegetables, just like carrots and onions and potatoes. And if you take the tops off, just like the carrots, cut off some of the beet and give them their tops, they put out new beet leaves. They won't grow new beet vegetable bottom underneath, but that's okay because you can eat the greens. Beets are related to a vegetable called chard. Chard just grows the stems and the leaves. They look like beet leaves and stems. They don't have a rounded root bottom. So look at that. Here's our onions. Look how much they've grown. And our carrots. They look like carrot tops. They're going to be delicious. And these beets have leaves already, and I just planted them 2 days ago. So they must like it here very, very much. And I will take you downstairs soon and show you the other kitchen scrap garden plants that are down in the window. All right, see you in a bit.